So we were driving the tractor home, right? And I smelled oil burning, rubber, or something. I looked at the rear of my tractor. I noticed nothing, right? Nothing unusual. While driving, looking out. Didn't see anything. Looked over on that side, looking all in my cab. Looked at my front end. And then I looked down and saw this. Well, not that. Leaning tires, leaning like that. So I slowly pulled into the neighborhood. I lifted her up on the forks, and that flopped off, literally just like that. Oil is still leaking out. Yeah, we had a good one. I'm not on the phone with anybody. Axle snaps clean off.